Let's go to the classroom. English period is starting.
Hello, children. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we are going to practice our English reading by performing some dialogues. All you have to do is listen carefully and then repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin! Okay, for our first practice, let's learn how to ask for something. Imagine you're at school and you need a pencil. We'll see two different ways this conversation might happen. Let's start with the first way.
Excuse me, do you have a pencil? Excuse me, do you have a pencil? इसका मतलब है, माफ कीजिए, क्या आपके पास पेंसिल है?
No, I do not have a pencil. I am sorry. No, I do not have a pencil. I am sorry. नहीं, मेरे पास पेंसिल नहीं है, मुझे अफसोस है.
It is all right. It is all right.
कोई बात नहीं.
Very good. So that's what you can say if your friend doesn't have a pencil. But what if the answer is yes? Let's try the conversation again. We'll start with the same question. Excuse me, do you have a pencil? Excuse me, do you have a pencil? इसका मतलब है,
माफ कीजिए, क्या आपके पास पेंसिल है?
Yes, I have a pencil. Here you are. Yes, I have a pencil. Here you are. जी हाँ, मेरे पास पेंसिल है. ये लीजिए.
Thank you, शुक्रिया.
You're welcome. You're welcome. कोई बात नहीं.
Excellent work, everyone. You're doing so well. For our next dialogue, let's practice making plans together. Imagine you want to play a game with your friends. How would you start that conversation? Let's find out.
Can we play? Can we play? क्या हम खेल सकते हैं?
Yes, we can play. Yes, we can play. जी हाँ, हम खेल सकते हैं.
Do we have a ball? Do we have a ball? क्या हमारे पास गेंद है?
No, we do not have a ball. No, we do not have a ball.
नहीं, हमारे पास गेंद नहीं है.
What can we play then? What can we play then? फिर हम क्या खेल सकते हैं?
We can play tag. We can play tag. हम पकड़म पकड़ाई खेल सकते हैं.
It is a good idea. It is a good idea. ये एक अच्छा ख्याल है.
You are all English stars. For our last dialogue today, we are going to learn how to talk about other people. We will practice using the word they. Ready for the final practice? Let's go!
Do they have a car? Do they have a car? क्या उनके पास गाड़ी है? No, they do not have a car. No, they do not have a car. नहीं, उनके पास गाड़ी नहीं है.
What do they have? What do they have? उनके पास क्या है? They have a motorcycle. They have a motorcycle. इनके पास motorcycle है.
And we're done. You all did such an amazing job today. I am so proud of how well you listened and practiced your reading. You did a truly wonderful job. Good job, children. Your reading gets better every time we practice together. Keep up the fantastic work. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can join us for our next lesson. And remember, the best way to learn is to keep practicing your English. See you next time.